The Epistemology and Pedagogy study group of the GDC is a group of scholars, teachers, postgraduate students, and people with diverse backgrounds that are in teaching processes or research experiences that are working with different global social thinking materials. And we meet to share and discuss and produce resources that aims to decenter our contents or our practices or our research procedures, methods, etc. And it's based on our discuss are based on critical paradigms and exploring different approaches, epistemology approaches or history or pedagogical approaches. And we meet like in every month, maybe, or with different frequencies. We adapt to every people or every member of the group schedules, and we put in with activities that results from different demands that can appear in the group. But the important thing is that we all share like the same questions or same interests. It's like, what does this centering look like in different contexts around the world? Who is doing it, and what undiscovered or undervalued thinkers we are not reading or including in these processes of production and sharing of knowledge, and like in which way we do these exercises, and to what end are these theories or materials we read being developed and discussed and we share. So the group has it went through different activities all over these years. We for example, we did collective readings from the South, like Southern thinkers, a revision of social theory, different social theory syllables or subjects that teach social theory, and to look what authors are being taught and what authors aren't, or what authors maybe can be included. Also, we had collective readings of different authors, and actually nowadays we have an ongoing project that is a curation of a global social thinking repository project. And also we have this series of presentations this year that started to share, different members started to share decentering practices in these teaching, learning, researching procedures. And okay, so these meetings allows us to engage with other activities that we don't know that can be put in practice in our daily work, and also networking, no? So that with other colleagues and other people from different parts of the world that are involved in this kind of interests. So Elham, do you want to add something? Elham is,
yeah.
We both coordinate the epistemology and pedagogy group. It's a combination that can change also.
Yeah.
So Elham, do you want to say something more about it?
No, actually, you tell all of the things, and it is just important to emphasize that what really bring us together is some question, and we are always open to new questions and developing maybe new response and new practice to these questions. So please feel free to send us any suggestion if you have for any kind of activity, and we can start like working on it together. So that is it.
And also maybe to add that the spirit of the group is is really not working, and other activities like were nourished in this group and were made in other instances. For example, writing articles or participating in different activities of each other places, like not try to get off the screen and do it in the ground also is something we always want. It's sometimes difficult because of time and resources, but we are always active to look for that and go on with that. So that is something I wanted to say too.